Hello, everybody over at Vintage Construction Group. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. You spoke to my business partners a while back over at Hanley Digital Consulting. They had reached out to you guys and said we were going to get this custom video over to you. I wanted to do that on their behalf. So with that being said, a few of the things we're going to go over in this video are how your guys' website is laid out. Not to mention it is an absolutely beautiful website. What it needs to entail in order to start ranking better on Google. Not that you guys aren't ranking well already, but how we can always continuously improve, and what that website needs to contain, as well as the Google My Business portion of it, and some back end stuff which is considered SEO. So with that being said, we'll jump right into your guys' website. Like I said, this is a beautiful looking website. Whoever built it, hats off to them. But one thing that we're not seeing is a lot of content. We have this right here. That's about it. We have a little bit here. You got all your photos. That's all good and dandy. We got more projects. It's great. Some more click to call buttons, or maybe even a call to action button would be better. So I would definitely recommend that. Maybe some phone numbers here and there. That way people don't have to go to your contact page in order to find you. But overall, a very good site. Well, you got the click to call up here. That does not click, so never mind. The Facebook icon, Twitter, those all work, so that's good to see, but that click to call would be nice. So we're going to jump into the back end of things and why this is important. This is considered SEO. Currently, you guys have 459 backlinks, 486 keywords, and 130 referring domains that host these backlinks, generating roughly 360 organic traffic to your guys' website every single month. As I can see here, the referring domains are slowly kind of adding, so you guys must be doing something to it. All your pages have dropped off here and there, and that's pretty typical to see as well. We don't like to see this. We like to see a huge rise and then a major fall with your rank. That's always tough to see. But regardless, we're talking about content, right? We want to figure out why good content is important. So we want to have good keywords. Not just any kinds of keywords, but keywords with high search volume and low KD. KD is our keyword difficulty. The lower the KD it is, the easier that word is going to be to rank for you guys. Something like We Care Pediatrics is 4,500 search volume, yes, but there's 22 KD. That could take a long time to rank. So we want to get high volume, low KD keywords put into all of your content all across your website. One way we can compare and contrast that is taking some of your competition when we search custom home builders in Shreveport, Louisiana, right? We scroll down, some of the best ones are actually you guys right here, which is awesome. And then we have Soliver. We're going to compare them right now. So they don't have near as much, right? And that doesn't matter if they're not beating you out. As long as you guys are on the top, that's good. But we can always grab information from these guys as well and take all of their keywords as well as their backlinks, and really start ranking you guys like crazy. One thing I did mention and notice that on the Google My Business portion, right? So when we search custom home builders, this pops up. This is a Google Business Map Pack, and you guys are not in here. You can easily be in here because you're organically in the first page. We just need to optimize your Google Business profile a little bit more. So let's see, there's 13 reviews. Let's see if we can find your guys's. I would assume you're only a few down. Yep, right here. So you guys right here, just probably 6, 7 down. Currently, you guys only have 3 reviews, and the top dog only has 13 reviews. So definitely getting a few more reviews is going to help you guys out. Optimizing the way this is built out with all of your contact information, vice versa, about us page. Making sure that's all up to date and looking good and dandy. But for the most part, I would say you guys are doing a fairly good job. There's definitely a few things here and there that could be fine-tuned in order to start boosting your guys' rankings online. So I hope this video was useful to you guys in any way, shape, or form. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this video, I wouldn't mind getting some feedback regardless. At the end of it, once you guys had a chance to watch, all of my contact information is below in the email. So with that being said, guys, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. We hope this helps, and best of luck to you guys. Thanks.